Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video, let's design the shape of a Modak in Creo Parametric. And this will be designed using surfacing. So let's get started. Now if you see this model, you have the gap in between. So you can even add the rounds in between these gaps. So if you add the round, the shape will change like this. So now if you see the model, it will look like this. So let's do it one more time and understand the whole process. And to do this, first you go to New, create a new file, go for Part, Solid, take a proper name and say OK. Now to start the part, first you go to Sketch, draw a sketch over the front datum plane, say Sketch, Normal, switch off all the datums. Now here you first place a datum center line just like this, then add a line starting from here till here like this. This value I'll take it as 10. Now hold the Shift key and middle mouse button to pan it like this. Use the middle mouse button to zoom it. Now once again I'll go for dimension. I'll place another dimension from here till here and this will be 100. Now you draw the sketch using spline. Start your sketch from here, go like this. Draw the sketch like this. Now the dimension. So this one from here till here, this is 12 and this is 85. Then this dimension from here till here, this is 35 and this is 60. Then this dimension, this is 50 and this is 30. Now this dimension, this is 7.5 and then this gap is 4. Similarly, this one, this is 35 and then this gap is 4 that side. So let's make it -4 first and then you simply delete it and make it strong. So this is the best sketch we have. So do it carefully and say OK. So you got your first feature. Now once you have this sketch, go for revolve. Select the sketch, go for surface, go for 20° and then go for symmetric. Say OK. Now one more time, select the sketch and go for revolve. This time you go for solid 360° and say OK. Now once this is done, you go for boundary blend, select this edge, hold the control key and select this edge. Now you're getting the blend surface here. Just right click here and go for normal. Here also go for normal. Then you go to constraint and then you go for show stretch handle. So you got these handles now. Now you're getting a new quilt here which is inside. So I'll just move it out to move it outside. This you move it inside. Now this value you take it 1 and this also you take it 1. Make it 2. This also you make it 2. See the preview. Say OK. So you got a new quilt here. Select the quilt and go for solidify. Go for fill with solid. See the preview. Flip the direction and say OK. Now select this face and go for pattern, and instead of pattern you go for geometry pattern. And geometry pattern, go for axis pattern and then you select the center axis. This you make it 18 throughout 360 degree. Say OK. So the pattern failed. So if you are also facing the same problem, then nothing to worry. Just go to File, Prepare, Model Properties, and here under the accuracy, change the accuracy. This accuracy I'll make it 0.001 and I'll say regenerate. So I got the result. Now the CADx provides useful content to help all of you to learn the Creo Parametric. Now you also help CADx to grow. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel to help and grow the CADx. Thank you. Now in case you want to add rounds, then simply go for round, select this edge, take the proper value, say OK. Now this quilt, again go for geometry pattern, go for axis pattern and select the axis. Take it as 18 numbers, 360 degree and say OK. So you got the result. Now just add the appearance and the part is done. So this is how we design the shape of a Modak in Creo Parametric, and I hope this video will be helpful. Now you can like this video. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to this channel to support the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.